Vaginal delivery, also known as vaginal childbirth, is the most common method of giving birth. It is the process by which a baby is born through the mother's vaginal canal, rather than through a surgical procedure such as a cesarean section. There are several stages of labor that occur during vaginal delivery. The first stage is known as the latent phase, which is the longest and least intense stage of labor. During this phase, the cervix begins to soften and dilate, and contractions become more frequent and intense. The second stage of labor is known as the active phase, and this is when the cervix is fully dilated and the baby is ready to be born. During this phase, the mother will experience intense contractions and will be encouraged to push to help the baby move through the birth canal. The third and final stage of labor is known as the pushing stage, and this is when the baby is delivered. This stage can be intense, but it is also one of the most rewarding as the mother finally gets to meet her new baby. It's important to note that vaginal delivery is not always possible. Some women may experience complications during labor that require a cesarean section, also known as a C-section. These complications can include a baby that is in distress, a placenta that is blocking the birth canal, or a baby that is in the breech position. It's also important to note that there are different methods for vaginal delivery, such as using an epidural for pain relief, using forceps or a vacuum to help deliver the baby, or opting for natural birth. It is important for the mother to discuss the options and preferences with their healthcare provider. Overall, vaginal delivery is the most common method of giving birth and is the natural process through which a baby is born. While there are potential complications that may arise, most vaginal deliveries are safe and successful. It's important for expectant mothers to have open communication with their healthcare provider to ensure they have the best possible experience during labor and delivery.